Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Having been out of the studio for a few days and trying to find my comfort zone again. Let's focus. I've got a 10 by 20 inch canvas. Let's make sure that's really focused. I made 6 exhibition videos before I got it to work so that it was clearly focused. I'm just going to use some Artist Loft, thinnest layer possible. Help my sandy texture a little bit. And I'm going to use some of the new Colour Arte colors, Prism Pours, and some of the older ones that are my favorites. I have an inspiration piece, which I will do actually a painting similar to that, but that's what I've got in mind for my sky. I'm not even sure I can do it, or that it'll turn out looking like that. Depends on how I'm feeling while I'm applying the colors, to be honest with you. So I have my layer of paint, and once I get colors put on there, I'll probably pull them down. So I want, that's Frosted Berry. I want a bunch of paint on this canvas so I can sort of mix it together. This is the new French Silk, which is very buttercream and beautiful and shimmery, and probably the true color of clouds. And this is now plugged, open, yay! That's the Chantilly lace, which is very sparkly and beautiful. But those will help me mix my colors. That's my plan anyway. So, where do we start? I love this pink carnation. This would be my first choice if I were left on a desert island and I couldn't have too many colors. I would definitely choose the pink carnation as one of them. I have a mixture of Big Apple and the new orange. Big Apple is very candy apple red. I think I'm going to try and simplify a little bit and switch to that. That's my pink diamond. I have some Tuscan Sun, which I think would go well, both at the top and the bottom. And I'm almost ready, almost ready. I have the orange that will be listed underneath. My shipment, the label got lost in the box, and I didn't ask yet, and I should have. Do I have any other colors I strongly desire? I like this golden poppy. I think we should probably experiment with that since I haven't used it yet. That's very sultry. What do I have here? I don't know. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to wipe that white off first. And that black. Don't know where that came from. Oh, that sparkle is to die for. Wow. Gonna back push some of that off, right off the edge. That's just cheerful. That's just beautiful colors. I will turn that around so that I can get my residuals added to the edge. Paint is nice and thick. The paint pouring recipes for the cell activator I'll use on the bottom half, and the mixes of pouring medium for the top. For the sky, I should say, will be under the video. The colors are nice and strong. I love that the white is showing through a little bit. I just moved that so I could so I could cover my top edge with my residual, which I may scoop up a little more residual, but I'm 3/4 of the way covered. I want some more back over here. I love that orange will cover. I have wanted to do this sky forever. I've been waiting for this orange for a long time. Oh boy, I'm excited. That's just totally awesome. And I really appreciate having used the lighter colors underneath. I don't know what that is, but it's got to be tweezed. Come out, whatever you are. Need a really light touch near the edges to avoid having canvas. But especially with a spatula, you can, until it gets gloppy, in which case you'll pull the paint off, you can always tap some paint into place. That's covered. This is covered. It's time to do the bottom. Do I want to swipe through there one more time? Maybe I do. Maybe I didn't. Love that pink diamond in the middle. I think it's time to put all the bracelets on one side again. If I could put anything across that bottom, what would it be, I wonder? Maybe a little bit of just the orange. I kind of want to see what it would look like to put some of the Chantilly lace and or the French silk on top of that. So that orange is unmixed with the other colors, which is kind of neat. All right, here goes nothing. That just makes me want more pink. Where's my light pink? I think that's what I really do want in there. Yes. Now, that can go away. Now it's time to get on with the bottom. I don't want to waste any of this paint though. Perfect timing. Picked up all the drips. Let's check the top. Looks pretty good. What a totally gorgeous sky. Especially love that sour. Yeah, just had to say that and then do that. Beware the glop hour. It's okay. No major harm done. Just adding a little something that's not straight, which is tempting to do everywhere. Alright, I'm going to wipe that off on my Lolify, whatever you're called. I can't remember. It's spelled Love Life. I know that. Okay, so I'm going to grab Baltic Amber. I love Baltic Amber. And a little Mayan Gold. And then get out the greens. Maybe some of this Midnight Shadow first. I find the more odd the shapes and the configuration and the way I lay the colors down, the more organic it comes out, the better I like it. I've got some Twilight Orchid. I may put some mountains in there. I usually do, actually. There's my Fandango, not a new color. My new color is Sassy Sprite. It's a little similar. A lot darker, actually, now that I look at it. And I was going to use some Peacock, and I think I will. The wintergreen is also great with those colors together. I want to swipe them with my spatula first and go back. I'm going to use some of the black iris. And I think I am going to do what I said I was going to do. I'm going to... Oh, there's a new color. The dark water is the most fabulous turquoise I've ever seen in my life. So I might want one of those again in a moment. But for right now, I'm just going to mix it up. Maybe steal some color to do the edges. And I'm taking a big chance not using any cell activator at all because I kind of wanted some. I'm hoping that that's not runny enough to be a problem. I think I got away with it. Now it's time for the spatula. Now it's time for the palette knife. I'm going to use the big one. Do I want to use any more colors in there? I think I want to use some purple. I'm not seeing any cells, but I don't think I care because I really like what I am seeing. It should be all about this sky anyway, in my opinion. I was looking at some of my saved inspiration photographs from Instagram earlier, and I like to have a bunch of different height land configurations. And some texture doesn't hurt me either at the horizon. Just the odd, strange colored mark Makes all the difference in the world in keeping the eye moving around inside a composition. There we go. Do we want some trees? There are my trees. Right in the middle. Let's put some more trees in there. A few more over here. Some on the horizon line. Good to go. Don't really care that I didn't have a bunch of cells. That's the one weird thing. Should not paint upside down. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys I got 3 minutes to tell you I do sell my artwork. And you can find my email address to contact me should you be interested in making a purchase underneath the link tree. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. If I catch any little holes, I'll put my finger in them, I promise. I'm just all about that sky. Preferably without that plane. I'm hoping that that will fill in. Come on, off filament. There we go. Beautiful. Thank you guys for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. When you watch my videos all the way to the end and all the way through, you help my standing on YouTube and I really appreciate it. I love those little trees. I don't know what that thing is there. It's got to go though. Maybe I'll just tree it up. Let's steal some paint. Yeah, we'll put some trees in there. Preferably without upsetting everything. Glad I stopped. There, trees along the ridge too. Fatten up my forest. Give them some shadows. Very cool. Okay, time to zoom in if I've got time. And if I don't have time, that'll be a shame. I'm going to turn this light off. Bring my phone down. Hopefully you can see some of the shimmer in there. I'll be looking for drips, cleaning off with the underside of my canvas. Any gaps will go. Look at that, I got a sun in the sky right there. That's a beautiful shiny sky. Shimmery. I gotta keep my fingers out of there. Fortunately, I've got some dripped paint that'll cover that up. I could also enlarge my mountain. So there's a solution for whatever you find that's a problem. I gotta not freak out over stuff I see in there. We'll just call them small clouds or UFOs. Alright, so I love you guys. Thank you for the kind words in the comments to keep my morale boosted while my channel struggles along. There's a monthly drawing and I've got 1 minute to tell you about it. And if you make a donation through the PayPal link, bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or the link on my link tree, you'll be invited to join and you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video. It's on the end screen of this video and most recent videos. There's really good prizes for March 2022. Not sure when you're watching this, so I had to say 2022. There's over 2,500 videos, and if you can't find what you're looking for, I have them organized by topic and genre and by the 100, and I can help you if you leave me a comment and ask me for stuff. There's all kinds of stuff to know about my channel, but if you watch the rest of my videos, you'll find out lots of it. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are all on my link tree. along with Legalerist clothing. My Amazon link, or if you shop it, it's at no added cost to you. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And I do like to sell my